Hey guys, welcome to yet another video where we are going to review one more pair of shoes which I just bought right now. So here it is, the brand is Spunk, and yes, these are the lovely shoes. I bought these specially for casual purpose, walking, gymming, and as you can see the branding, it's a yellow sole, gives a sporty look, and this is one part which is the added cushion pad which gives extra cushion feel inside. As you can see inside, these are the sock style, and these laces are special. These laces are nothing but elastic, and you can tighten it with this lock. Now this is how the pair looks.
So when I tried these shoes were very comfortable, easy to wear. It gave a nice firm grip on the ground, and these shoes I would say are very good for gymming purpose, for walking, for exercising. When I banged them, they were not sounding hollow, and it passed the jump test too.
Yeah, it is for 22299, and you won't believe how much I got it for. I got it for just 600 bucks. Yes, you heard it right, just 600 bucks. So just head to Brand Factory and get these lovely pair of shoes.